Well, now we're going to fry the liver. If I can find where I put it. Oh. So this is liver. So you add the pot. Alright, cup it. Don't put any salt on it. Put salt on it after it's cooked. So what I did is just slice it up. So what I did, slice it and put some onion and pepper, and that's it. So now we're gonna fry this up for about, just fry it. So what I did around and see about the spoon, add water. Like this. I'm gonna add this water with the seasoning into the fried liver. Now would be a good time to add some salt. About a teaspoon or so. Some black pepper. Hello, my name is Miguel, and today we're gonna cook cow's liver with white rice and callaloo. Here is the rice. Make sure it's washed properly, and then this is just a cup, so it's 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water. And just for a gauge, you use your hand and gauge it like here. This is the rice continuing, it's boiling for about 8 minutes now, and I put 2 pieces of pumpkin in it. Okay, this is the rice. What I did earlier is put a piece of pumpkin in it. This is it. So what I did, I put a bag over it. Now we just turn it up so we can even it out proportionally. Alright, so that's it. You can put a bag or you can seal it properly. Alright, now this is the callaloo. Make sure you strip your callaloo and wash it and strip it really clean and dice them like this is what we call callaloo. Callaloo. You dice it. And then add the onions and a couple pimento seeds, allspice. Add a little water Just a little. Not that many. That much. And a little tip of oil. And a pinch of salt. And that's it. You then cover it for about 15 minutes at low flame. Well, this is continuing the callaloo. It should look like this. So it's pretty much ready. You can turn it off. It's been about 12 minutes and that's it. So that's callaloo. See? It's hot. So now continue. So what I had is just a tablespoon of parsley and a tablespoon of basil. Tablespoon of basil. So now I'm just gonna add some ketchup. About 2 tablespoons. Just to thicken it. See? So it's creamy. So that's it. Cow's liver. Okay, this is the cow's liver with callaloo and pumpkin, boiled pumpkin with white rice. This is it served. See? This is the liver. Liver.